when we started the show at 2:30, and now it's managed to get back into the green territory. So let's find out what's happening in the dealings rooms. This has been an intensely volatile session with the Nifty swinging in a 350-point band. Nimesh is here with an insight. Nimesh.
Hi, Ramana. A decent recovery, I'll say, from the intraday lows today, and two levels I was watching out, and both got respected. As far as PCR is concerned, a bit of recovery intraday from a low of 0.65, now back to almost 0.8 on the Nifty PCR. And also from a technical point of view, 28,800 was a very crucial support level. That got respected in today's market, and we saw a V-shaped recovery after hitting that low of 22,800 in the intraday today. So both those things have been respected. So from a technical point of view, a pullback is likely, and that's what we've seen from extremely oversold levels. What is disturbing is the FIF flows. Today it seems to be a very aggressive sell day by the FIs. A lot of pads are indicating that they are almost 1:3, 1:4 on the sell side. So that's the kind of selling which is there from the larger FIs. Not sure how much is the DI buying support going to match that. So institutional data could be quite interesting. But again, I'll say that the technical levels of 22,800 and the PCR is something to watch out for a near-term pullback. From a sector point of view, there is clearly buying emerging back in the private bank names and a bit of technology stocks. On the other side, aggressive selling in the real estate and so-called the momentum stocks, so to speak, across broader markets and in the large cap. It's basically the real estate which is under pressure today. But from a flow perspective, FI is aggressive sellers, but watch out for two crucial levels on the downside: 22,800 from a technical point of view, and also the PCR around 0.65.
Nimesh, so that's interesting. What about individual names? What are you picking up?
So again, as I said, there is aggressive selling from the FIs, but from a individual stock point of view, HDFC Life is the first stock. Well, the stock is recovered from the intraday lows today. All the insurance companies have recovered, but there is selling in stocks like HDFC Life today. So expect high delivery volumes on the sell side. The second name is Union Bank. This is the only PSU name which stands out because across the board, while there is buying in private banks, within PSUs, Union Bank stands out on back of very aggressive buying. So that's been the trend for the last couple of days in Union Bank, and today also stands out in terms of aggressive buying in that particular stake, in that particular stock. And the last is couple of stocks where there is aggressive selling: Maruti and M&M, both auto stocks, large cap names, but there is aggressive selling in both those names at FIs today. So again, as I said, at least in the large cap names, the trend of FI selling continues, and so is the case with M&M and Maruti today.
Nimesh, you put out this one name, I think, right? Goldium you put out yesterday.
Yeah. Yes.
Stocks up 6.5%. Just want to remind us.
So, Prashant, as I highlighted yesterday as well, there was one single individual investor, so-called HNI. He was a seller for the last couple of days. Looks like it's cleaned out from that particular individual investor. Secondly, the earnings was quite strong this quarter. They have a call in the evening at 4 o'clock. And also, they have announced officially on the exchanges that there is one more retail store that is opening up tomorrow. So maybe a bit of pullback from extremely oversold levels. But I guess all eyes will be on the call today, because that's what investors will watch out for at 4 o'clock today.
Thank you very much for that. We'll watch for that call.